In this world of the current trend, many young bright minds want to have their own business instead of working for others. This is because they prefer independence, flexible work lifestyle, creative freedom, and personal satisfaction. So, what type of profession would suit this kind of person? Would it be an employee who works under a hierarchy of an existing company and abides its strict rules? Or would it be an entrepreneur who sets up his or her own business and takes financial risks in hope for fruitful profit? The answer is the latter, as entrepreneurship fulfills all of the said demands from them. But of course, they need to find someone to guide them to be entrepreneurs. Thankfully for them, this is where we Unovate Centre come to help. Introducing our exclusive entrepreneurship program. The goal of the program is to teach them the fundamentals of business in a low-risk environment. We also help to accelerate the successful development of young businesses and startups through structured cultivation programs. We have a pair of similar, yet different entrepreneurship programs to offer. The Unipreneur Step Cultivation Program and the Business Incubation Program. Let's talk about Unipreneur Step first. For emerging digital or traditional entrepreneurs, the Unipreneur Step Cultivation Program delivers activities and facilities. This program gives you the access to facilities which include UTAR Store, ECFC, co-working space. You may have the privilege to own a physical store within campus, engage in any internal and external campus events. Now, what about the Business Incubation Program? Our Business Incubation Program helps and supports the young entrepreneurs and start up their businesses and companies. Receive up to 5,000 Malaysian ringgits in seed funding through UTAR Yes Grants for Development and conduct market survey as a financial support. Besides from the funding, you can also gain some pitching opportunities, participate in exhibitions and competitions. What benefits will you gain from these two programs? You can gain more access to valuable opportunities, including specialized trainings and workshops, talks and seminars by speakers, and more events and activities with the opportunity to help your business grows. So, are you interested to be an entrepreneur and join our programs? Then sign up today by scanning the QR code and contact us for any questions.